Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find out if a YouTube channel is monetized or if a YouTube channel has videos that are currently monetized. Let's jump on the YouTube app and let's try to find a channel. Let's see CNBC. Let's try to find out if a CNBC is actually monetized. So first thing you want to do, you want to go all the way to the top right corner and click on the three dots. You click over here and then you want to click share. Then I want you to click on copy link. So now we copy the link from the YouTube channel on our clipboard, and now we're going to go on Google Chrome and I'm going to show you which website you should look for. So guys, this is the website, isthischannelmonetized.com. Let's click on it. Let's come over here. You want to scroll down. You want to paste the link from the channel that we copy, right? And you want to click check monetization. Now wait a while and boom, it's ready. So according to the checker, the CNBC, it's probably monetized. The channel has at least 3 monetized regular videos. So this is what I mentioned, that the channel, the website will give us either if the channel is monetized or if the channel has some monetized videos. So the checker, it just tells us that they have at least 3 monetized regular videos. And here you can actually see how many views they got throughout the period so far this month. And you can actually see how many views they got and how many subscribers, and they give you an approximate RPM based on the different categories. So you can calculate based on their views. You can pick whatever category you think applies the most, and then you multiply by the number of the RPMs, right? And then you get how much money they could have made. Over here, millions of dollars. If we're talking about everything that is above like 50 cents with their views on the channel, it could have made them over $1 million, which in my opinion is crazy money, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more.